And welcome to break 5717 for the 2021-22 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, November 26, 2021. It's 10:11 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:11 p.m. Central Time, and 7:11 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have NYR 2 spots, DG4, LE 10, John Head 2, $1 million Meat with 2, John 4, Nick 2, KTM Sports Cards 3, Nick with 2 spots. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. NYR on top, Nick on the bottom once, twice. The retimes 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. We have DG on top, Nick on the bottom. Wanted 18, not 24. There we go. DG with the Ducks and Coyotes, NYR Bruins, LE Sabres, John Head Flames, Nick Hurricanes, KTM Blackhawks Avalanche, NY with the Blue Jackets, John Head Stars, DG Red Wings, Oilers, LE Panthers, Nick Kings, LE Wild Canadians, KTM Predators, LE Devils, John Head Islanders Rangers, Nick Senators, LE Flyers, John Head Penguins, $1 million Meat with the Blues, LE Sharks, Lightning, Leafs, Canucks, John Head Golden Knights, $1 million Meat Capitals, and last but not least, Nick with Winnipeg. Alright, we're all sealed up, and whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And we have a top 12 rookie signatures. Josh Norris, Ottawa Senators. From the Art of Facts. Very nice. Josh Norris, rookie auto going to Ottawa. That's going to Nick EA2236. Congrats on 5717 in the 2021-22 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the second spot in the autograph football mini helmet bonus break, and up next is 5720 for the 2021 Gold Rush Premier Football Players Pack. Thank